Hi friends, welcome to edreels, platform where making videos and uploading is at your convenience. Come on, let me show you how to make the videos. For making videos, please choose your syllabus, State Board or CBSE. Then your subjects as per your desire from class 6 to class 10. Pick your chapter, choose your topic and prepare a small 60-second script. Let's understand how to shoot the video. Very important. Choose a place where there are no background noise. Make sure you don't have doors or colorful pictures on your background. If possible, try to use a plain background like this. Since we are making videos for the students from class 6 to class 10, try to make an engaging video. You can use any language, no language barrier, English, Telugu, or you can even use English and Telugu mix. And when you are making the video, be presentable in front of the camera with a little smile. While making videos, make sure to use your phone in vertical position and not horizontal. You can take help from your friends or family to shoot the video like this. If family or friends not around to click the video for you, you can use a mobile tripod and click. When you are shooting, your phone is at a little distance. So try to make sure that you have a clarity on the voice or use your mic like this. Remember, we are making videos for students from class 6 to 10. So try to make an engaging and a creative video, also reminding you to take care of the lights when you are shooting. Now your video is ready. What next? Log into our website www.edreels.in and register yourself. This is a one-time activity. After this, every time you upload the video, all you need to do is log in with the PIN that you generate. So log in, upload your video, and every video that is approved, we pay you 100 rupees. So what wait for? Start shooting.